Both face-to-camera and voice-over only promotional videos will benefit from good B-roll. B-roll is any visual image that's still or video that can be seen while you're talking on your video. So this is B-roll that you can see now while I'm talking. You could spend the time filming your own B-roll, or you could save time and add videos and photos that have already been recorded by others. And there's many sites on the web selling stock photos and videos, and you likely pay a royalty to be able to use these. However, there are many that have options that will allow you to use them free of royalty payments. And there are sites that offer all of their images royalty-free, and some that allow commercial use, but also ask for attribution on your video. An attribution is a referral that you add to your video or to your website to credit the creator of the image. When you've selected a photo or video to download, I suggest you check whether you require an attribution, and then make sure you copy the text that they ask for. And I'll also show you some fully free sites later in this video, as well as how to handle that attribution if it's needed. The following sites offer both video and photos to download. The list with the web links is also in the description below. First, the paid sites: Stock Video, Shutterstock, Storyblocks, ArtGrid, Envato. And the royalty-free and attribution sites: Unsplash, VidvoNet, Dareful, VidEasy, Pixel.com, Reshot.com, and my favourite, Pixabay. Some of the sites in the royalty-free list also have paid images amongst the free offers, so be careful. As I said, my favourite's Pixabay, and I use it extensively. I'll show you the download process and where the images appear on your computer. You can also choose between photos, illustrations, videos, and even music. Select the category that you're looking for. Select Photos. Now Illustrations. And now Videos. Let's select a video. Click on Free Download. This will give you different options and sizes. And make your choice. The bigger the size, the more space it'll take up on your computer. And it's nice to credit the video author, but for Pixabay, it's not required. Be aware that some images on other sites will require credit. I'll show you that on the Pexels Site a little later. The image you'll download to your Downloads folder. Drag it from there into your video editing application and add it to the timeline. Now a quick look at the Pexels Site. Type your choice in the search field. I'll type computers and select video. If you hover over each image, then it plays a preview in the screen. Click that image, click Free Download, and it'll download to your Downloads folder. And as I've said, Pexels require a credit, so click on the copy and paste that into the description for your YouTube video or under the photo or video on your website. And as a final tip, the purpose of your promotional video is to encourage your audience to go to your web page. And I've said many times before, your web page is your shop, whether it has e-commerce or not. Just as you'd want your physical shop to look attractive and inviting, do the same for your web page. The next tutorial looks at what you'll need and how to record with a green screen. I'm here to help, so if you need assistance on a specific topic, I offer free support via email for urgent issues that you're confronted with. Click the eye above for the link to my free support site. Otherwise, let me know in the comments below about topics that you struggle with, and I'd be happy to produce a YouTube video to help you solve those issues. Don't forget, I'm also available for one-on-one internet training. There's various different training courses available, both for group or for one-on-one, on my website. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell.